Johnny Wachter, a star of General Hospital, was brutally murdered, and the individuals who are suspected of being responsible for his death have been charged with additional offenses relating to street gang activity. An updated complaint was filed against 18-year-olds Robert Barcelo, the alleged gunman, and Sergio Estrada, with an extra gang enhancement charge on top of their murder accusations for the assassination of the General Hospital actor, according to court records that were obtained exclusively by the United States Sun News Organization. Wachter's murder was committed for the benefit of, at the direction of, and in association with a criminal street gang with the specific intent to promote, further, and assist in criminal conduct by gang members, according to the documents. Therefore, the District Attorney's Office in Los Angeles has added the gang-related offense to the cases that Barcelo and Estrada are facing. It is possible that Barcelo will spend the rest of his life behind bars. In addition, a gun enhancement was added for a third defendant, Frank Alano, who is 22 years old and is charged with one count of accessory after the fact to murder. After being found guilty of a felony, Alano was charged of possessing a handgun inside his possession. A previous plea of guilty was entered by a fourth defendant, Leonel Gutierrez, for the charges of attempted robbery and one count of grand theft committed. The remaining defendants have, up until this point, entered not guilty pleas. The gang enhancement charge is a victory for Wachter's family, who first voiced their dissatisfaction with the fact that the alleged killer's gang links were not included in the investigation into their son's death. Scarlett, the actor's mother, offered the following statement to ABC7 Los Angeles in the month of August. I don't see why he wouldn't do gang enhancements. They are all clearly gang members of the same gang that will still be asked, and I am still hoping for a lot of stackable things on top of this. A breach of robbery rules. The General Hospital actor, who was 37 years old at the time of his death, was shot and killed in Los Angeles on May 25, 2024, early in the morning, after he had finished his shift as a bartender in the area. During the time that Wachter and his colleague were walking toward his automobile, Wachter noticed 3 males that were messing with the vehicle. While the men were reportedly attempting to steal his catalytic converter, they had his vehicle propped up on a jack on the ground. One of the masked men shot the actor as he attempted to confront them. The actor tried to confront them. The party then made a hasty exit from the location. It was determined that the celebrity had passed away after being brought to the hospital. The agonizing final minutes of his life were recounted by his coworker as she held him in her arms as he passed away. Arrests made of suspects. Following the acquisition of search warrants by the police that morning, the suspects were taken into custody on August 15th. In the course of their investigation, the Los Angeles Police Department discovered fingerprints at the location. Early this morning, the Los Angeles Police Department's Central Bureau Homicide conducted search warrants relating to the John Wachter case at several locations throughout Los Angeles, according to an official statement issued by the LAPD at the time. These warrants resulted in 4 people being arrested and evidence recovered. According to a prior allegation by TMZ, the accused were members of the Florencia 13 gang.